this is the question for the day. That is tan theta plus sin theta equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta equal to n. Show that m square minus n square equal to 4 into square root of mn. Okay. So first we can write m square minus n square, that is equal to m is tan theta plus sin theta the whole square minus n is tan theta minus sin theta the whole square, right? What is a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square? It is 4ab. See, a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Opening the bracket, minus this one becomes plus and this is minus. Minus b square cancelled, a square cancelled, you get 4ab, right? So we can write 4 tan theta sin theta. Okay. See, now 4 root m n. Okay, that is equal to 4 into square root of m is sin, tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. Okay. That's equal to, what is a plus b into a minus b? We know it is a square minus b square. It is tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Now convert, what is tan square theta? It is sin square theta by cos square theta. So you can write tan square theta sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Now cross multiplying, taking LCM, that is equal to 4 into root of sin square theta minus cos square theta sin square theta. Divided by 1 into cos square theta is cos square theta. Okay. Now taking sin square theta common, we get 4 into root of sin square theta common, we get 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Okay. What is 1 minus cos square theta? It is sin square theta. This one. So we get 4 into root of sin square theta into this 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Okay. Divided by cos square theta. See, that is equal to 4 into, what is sin square theta by cos square theta? That is tan square theta into sin square theta. Okay, then that is equal to 4 into square root of tan square theta is tan theta. Square root of sin square theta is sin theta. See, this is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. So we can write, therefore m square minus n square equal to 4 into square root of m n. Okay. And this can be done in another method. See, the second method is, you take 4 tan theta sin theta. That is equal to 4 into square root of tan square theta sin square theta. Okay. We know the square root of tan square theta is tan theta and sin square theta is sin theta. Okay. Now, we know sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So, you can write 1 minus cos square theta for sin square theta. Okay. Expanding, we get 4 into square root of tan square theta into 1, it is tan square theta, minus tan square theta into cos square theta. Okay. Now 4 into root of tan square theta minus, you know what is tan square theta? It is sin square theta divided by cos square theta into cos square theta. Okay. So this cos square theta and cos square theta get cancelled. We get 4 into square root of tan square theta minus sin square theta. This is a square minus b square. So you can write 4 into root of tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. Okay. That is equal to, what is tan theta plus sin theta? That is given in the question, that is m. Okay. So you can write 4 into square root of m into, what is tan theta minus sin theta? It is given in the question, it is n. So you can write square root of m into n. Okay. In this way also we can prove this question. Therefore, hence m square minus n square equal to 4 into square root of mn. Okay. If you like the class, please share and subscribe. Thank you.